Hey guys, welcome back to my amazing YouTube channel. This is part two of my Royalton Blue Waters experience. I will be giving a property tour as well as a review, so you don't want to miss out. I'm encouraging you to watch the video to the very end. And if you have not yet done so, I'm encouraging you to watch part one. I'm sure that you will enjoy the video. Also, please remember, if you have not yet done so, to subscribe, like, and share. I need your encouragement. I need your support to help the channel grow. I know that I can depend on you. So thank you very much, and I do hope that you enjoy the video. Again, watch to the very end. I just want to do a bit of a tour for you guys. So here we have the pool area. These are like for the, I guess the Diamond Club, where you have the swim out pool from their room. So over here is where we have another pool section. Then there's a swim bar over there. Hey bro. So it's quite a big property, pretty hot today. Well, it's hot in Jamaica, so if you're looking for a getaway from the cold, if you are from the United States, Canada, or anywhere that is cold, then of course Jamaica is the place to be. Alright, there's a bar over there. Guys, let's check out this view. Spectacular. It's just a nice walk down to the wedding venue with the ocean in the background. This is amazing. Isn't Jamaica just beautiful? Absolutely beautiful. Just look at this, guys. I'm telling you. beach all the way around. And the Royalton is very close to the Rio Hotel. It's like they are adjoining hotels, so you can just walk along the beach shore, get over to Rio. Early morning in Jamaica. Isn't it just beautiful, guys? Just look at this. Getting up to this beautiful, beautiful setting in the morning. I can hear the waves of the ocean. I'll give your business a shout out, because I'm on YouTube.
Okay, yeah man, from Cooper Spring Crop Association, you are the best man, wood carving.
Yes.
Big up every time. We use mahogany cedar, the best wood.
Of course.
Iron.
Yes, man.
Good.
And your name is?
Astley.
Astley. All right. So if you ever come to Royalton and you want to check out
35
Astley.
years in the business.
All right.
Quality for your money.
Respect, man.
Good.
All right, cool.
I always see it when time they finish. Never see when time somebody actually leave it. Not your
Yeah. Carving, huh? What, alligator or crocodile? Which one is it? Crocodile. What's the difference? Okay, okay.
So what is it?
Alligator.
Okay.
Crocodile, right, okay.
The alligator mouth is wider, broader.
Okay. And how long you been doing this? But like a work like this, how long would it take you? Oh, wow.
Serious?
Wow. So if you ever come and you want to get your spa treatment, you have the Royal Spa right here. So guys, as you can see, we have a nice little setup gym here. We have the weight area. here is the House of Diamond duty free shop. Check this out. Inside here is where you have your cafe. Oh yeah, it's pretty cool inside here. Here's the boardwalk gift shop. Yes. If you want to get your souvenirs. I guess there's a steakhouse here. It's closed right now. But usually at resorts I don't really bother to go to the specialty restaurants. I just do the easy thing, which is the buffet. This is the lobby area.
You vlogging? We're vlogging? Vlogging?
I am.
My brother-in-law is vlogging.
Yes. Oh, okay.
How are you doing?
Good, good. I'm Erica. I just met them last night.
Yes.
Chit-chatting.
That's right.
I think Rafia was looking for you before.
Huh?
I think Rafia was looking for you.
Who? Good morning, good morning, good morning, my MDTD family. I'm taking a mid-morning stroll on the beach. As you can see, we have the water there in the background. Life is good. This is what it was supposed to be like before the primary couple messed up. But thank God we are here enjoying the few last moments of our stay here in Jamaica. Alright, so just walking on the shore, you can hear the wave, the ocean hitting, sounding good, very therapeutic. So just having a moment here before getting back to terra firma, getting back to the regular routine or job. Right, so I'm just so happy to share these moments with you, you know, so you can also live the experience through my camera. All right, so just giving you a view. Look around. Over there we have the Rio Hotel, like I've mentioned to you before, and then you have the Royalton Blue Waters and the hideaway section. All right, just look at the breathtaking view over there, guys. Awesome, the crashing waves. So let me hope that everybody is doing well. You are surviving. Life is treating you well, and even if everything is not 100%, that's still fine. Don't worry. You know, as long as you have life, you know, there's something to give God thanks for. Guys, this is it. It's nice. It's quite relaxing, quite refreshing. I hope that you're enjoying. And if you have never been to Jamaica, if you're on my channel and you've never been to Jamaica and you're thinking about a vacation spot, Jamaica is the place to be. I'm inviting you to come to my island, the land of my birth. You will enjoy it, I promise you. Jamaica, it's beautiful, rich culture, rich heritage, nice food. Trust me, I'm telling you, you will definitely enjoy Jamaica. Ask anybody who has ever been. So guys, if you ever come to the Royalton and you're not coming with your kids and you want to get your hideaway, this is where it is. Bro, time? Oh. All right, no problem. I can stay right here though and just deal with things. All right. So based on my armband, I'm not allowed to hide away. But just check it out. So this is the hideaway section. Adults only. Unfortunately, I cannot go over, even though it's the same property.
Alright, let's go, let's go. What is always in front of you?
Alright, man, thanks, eh? Yes. So guys, I'm heading to the jerk center right now to go get some jerk chicken just right before the wedding. Just a little catch-up stomach, as they would say. Nothing big, because the wedding will be at 4 and the cocktail hour around about 6 o'clock, so don't want to be too hungry, but it's a pretty hot day. The jerk center is not too far, so come on with us. Our jerk center is right here. I can already smell the smoke. How are you?
I'm great, thank you.
Good. So as you can see there, smoke is billowing from the pan. It's also close to the main pool that's like right over there. And then you have the bar. That's a small bar. So everything is in close proximity. Yeah, I'll just take chicken for now. Yeah, I'll take chicken and then dark. Yes, please. Oh, music is playing. Thank you. Okay, guys, so if you remember, I told you that we were not allowed to come over on the hideaway based on bracelet issue, and we were staying on the other side. Now, tonight, there's no electricity on the other side, so we have an opportunity to come to the hideaway. Isn't this amazing? So same hotel, just a different section. So over here is for the adults only. All right. It's quite beautiful. Hi, how are you? All right. Nice structure over there. Here you have it. It's a hideaway. Soaking in some of the nice seawater, man. Woo. So guys, whenever I do my travel vlogs, I like to just sit and tell you my opinion, what I think about the venue. So in this one, I'm going to tell you what I think about Royalton Blue Waters. First, I want to talk about the check-in. The check-in was quite typical for any resort. You know, usually resorts, the reception area is quite crowded. You have people coming from all over to check in. So I would say it was typical, right? It wasn't too long, wasn't too short. Now, if you're impatient, then you might say it was a bit lengthy, but for us it was typical, right? After check-in, we went to the room, and the room was quite nice. It was quite clean. The setup, as you see, I've given you a room tour, so it was quite nice. However, there was an issue. So the AC was not working, and you know, in Jamaica, it's hard to function without air conditioning. So we called the front desk, and they were quite efficient. They responded quickly, and they moved us from that room to another room, similar, ocean view, just the same. It was nice. We enjoy the room. The only issue that I have is that the balcony door was a little bit hard to slide. So you need a little bit of muscles in that, right? But we weren't too picky about that since we didn't spend much time in the room. So that was the issue with the room, right? If you're picky, then probably that might be a big deal, but for us it was not. On the issue of the food, what can I say? The food was cooked properly. Yes, for every meal I've had, it was properly cooked. However, in terms of variety, we didn't have much of a variety. And when I say variety, I'm talking about variety of Jamaican food. Yes, there were Jamaican food, but I would prefer to see more. Since we are in Jamaica, we are selling the Jamaican culture. We want to sell everything. So if there's anybody who's watching from Royalton Blue Waters, this would be my gripe, right? We need to sell more of Jamaica, sell more of the food. I probably saw briefly ackee and saltfish just one time, one morning in 7 days. So unacceptable, right? So I think that they can step up where that is concerned, right? There's a lot of international food. I know you're catering to the international community, but I would say because we are in Jamaica, it is always good to sell the Jamaican culture and to support the local Jamaican farmers. This is how we're going to build the Jamaican community. I would say step up where the food is concerned, and especially the local food in Jamaica, right? In terms of entertainment, it's a hotel, it's a resort. It is what it is. A lot to be desired when it comes on to entertainment. If I may just go back to the room was quite clean. The grounds are clean as well. The dining area is clean. The pool area is quite clean. It's quite nice, as you can see. I'm just sitting by the pool right now. That's the main pool. It's beautiful, guys. It's beautiful. All right. The staff is quite friendly. They are quite friendly. We haven't met one rude staff since I was here, and I said, well, that's a very good thing. I really admire that, right? So overall, the hotel was not that bad. There still needs to be a few improvements. There are some kinks that needed to be worked out, right? But I would say if you're not a picky person and you're looking for a hotel in Jamaica, and I would recommend for anybody to be in Jamaica, all right? Jamaica is a place to be. I would not sell Jamaica short. I need you to come. I need you to invest in Jamaica, right? And just try the culture. The culture is quite rich, all right? So that's basically what I have to say. It's a very enjoyable stay here. If I'm gonna rate this hotel on 5, then I'm gonna give it about 3.5, right? There still needs to be some improvements when it comes on to the food. Oh yes, let me talk about this. The drinks area, right? As you can see over there, that's right over there. That's the bar area, right? It's always out of things, and you come to Jamaica and especially at this hotel, I was surprised with the Bob Marley. It was a miss. Come on, guys, this is Jamaica. Step it up with the Bob Marley and the Ziggy Marley. And I know oftentimes you're out of stuff. You can't get any passion fruit, any mint, Jamaica is too fruitful for these things, guys. All right, so these are some of the things that again, it's my gripe, and I do hope that we can improve on this so that people who are looking for a decent hotel can book the Royalton Blue Waters. But for now, I'm going to give it 3.5 on 5, right? So there still needs to be some improvement. I know I'm kind of jumping all over the place, but the jerk, I was not too impressed with the jerk, right? They can step up a little bit where that is concerned as well. What else can I talk about? Yeah, there are just certain little glitches that needed to be worked out, and I believe that giving them a 3.5, it's room for improvement. They can step it up to, or giving it a 3 rather, they can step it up to a 4, a 4.5, make it a little bit better. But for now, let me say I'm gonna give it a solid 3 on 5, right? Solid 3 and 5. That's what I have to say, and I do hope that you will think about it, booking your trip to Jamaica. If Royalton is your choice, there you have it. It's my honest opinion, right? Others may have different opinion as to their experience, but it is my opinion. I believe that there are still a few things that needed to be worked out, and especially when it comes on to the food and the drinks, they can step up on that. So stay tuned. God bless you, and I do hope that when you book your trip, you will enjoy Jamaica, enjoy the sunshine. Oh yes, before I go, the beach wasn't too bad at all. I've been to a few beaches, hotel beaches, and I must say that it was, I was not what I was expecting, but this one is not that bad. It's not that bad. A few seaweeds, but it's still not bad. Yes. All right, you can enjoy the beach. The pool is there. There's something for everybody. All right, so if you want to think about it, that's my honest opinion. So God bless you, and thank you so much for watching the MDTD channel. And if you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead, hit the subscribe button. Also like and share it with your family and your friends. Guys, we're going to do this thing together. We are so close to 1,000 subscribers, and we know that we're able to do this together. So please just don't watch the video and leave it there. I want you to go ahead and hit the subscribe button. All right, this is where you're going to get my honest review when it comes on to traveling, but also this is on this channel is where you're going to get some nice recipe on how to cook Jamaican meal. So God bless you. Stay tuned. MDTD channel. There you have it. Of course, Jamaica is beautiful.